What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Chainlink and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all our videos as they are posted, link in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Chainlink here, and we can see quite clearly, things are going extremely well, aren't they? A quick look at the macro time scale here will show us that we're still in, this massive uptrend. You can see quite clearly we've got decent touches at both ends of the spectrum here. Top and bottom of the channel here. You can see, basically things going exceptionally well, aren't they? And a lot of people have been calling for a bear market recently, saying Chainlink's going to zero, etc, but I think you can see quite clearly that we're showing a lot of signs of life here for Chainlink in more ways than one. Obviously, for a lot of cryptos, we've had this very similar pattern emerging with this falling wedge, which is obviously a bullish reversal pattern. And you can see here, we've actually broken out of our resistance, flipped it into support, rolled over and tested it again as support, really bullish, as you always say. Also coming down into that very oversold region. And obviously, once you get into these kinds of levels where you're coming close to the bottom of this channel, you're oversold, you're obviously retesting support very strongly. We're always going to get a bounce pretty soon, especially considering all the bullish divergences that we were seeing with our histogram here, for example, and a hidden bullish divergence with the RSI and the histogram as well. And you can see quite clearly here that, that we've had a really nice bounce, haven't we? We've come all the way down to around $13-ish, which is, in a decent level here of previous structure. But a really nice bounce to the upside. We've retested and ripped through our 20. We've obviously ripped through our 55 as well. We've flipped bullish on our EMAs, which is really good to see as well. And now it looks as though, Chainlink's been consolidating for a week or so in around, between this $21-ish and $25 region. And now it does look as though it's just starting to push out potentially above this level here that we have outlined. You can see quite clearly that there was quite a lot of previous resistance and support in this area. And it does look as though we have actually broken out of this area now. Obviously, there's quite a lot of structure in this zone, you could say here, previously, which is probably what Chainlink is currently struggling with. But we would imagine that considering the trajectory that Chainlink has been on and how well it's been consolidating under this resistance here, probably forming somewhat of an ascending triangle, you could say that potentially, we're heading up to the upside, aren't we? You can see there's not really that many big areas of resistance. We've got an area here around $27.50 and at around that $32.3 as well, which would be good areas to be targeting, somewhere here and then obviously somewhere here as well. These would be good areas to potentially target. We could target this, back test our previous resistance as support, move up to the next level and start doing something like this, which would be really good to see, because obviously Chainlink, it's got pretty smashed down recently. We're down around 75% at the bottom there, but we're actually making really good headway now, down only around 50% from the all-time high, so doing really good. Obviously Chainlink's shown a lot of strength in general over the past few years. You can see even with the March crash, we've been in a steady uptrend for the longest time here. Chainlink was down here at around 30 cents, currently trading at around $26. So obviously anyone who bought Chainlink a few years ago and just held it until now has probably done exceptionally well. And we can see quite clearly that, Chainlink is having a nice bounce near the bottom of this channel, isn't it? All these reversal signals coalesced into a very nice reversal for Chainlink. And it does look as though it's on its journey, isn't it? It's heading back to the upside. We would really like to see, we've made that higher high now, haven't we? But we need to make that higher low for that full reversal of the trend, because currently we've had, that that we had the high, then the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So clearly in a downtrend. Now we've made that higher high, we do want to see that higher low so we can see the full reversal of the trend doing something like this. So things looking really good, aren't they? Chainlink obviously showing a lot of strength right now over the past few weeks. We'll take a quick look at the weekly time frame here, and this is what we really wanted to be seeing for Chainlink, which was the fact that we are currently retaking this week the 20 moving average, which is really, really bullish for continuation. Obviously, you can see there's only been a few times in the past where we've actually come down below the 55 for Chainlink. So it was a bit of a concern when you look even at the March crash here, we pretty much held the 55 moving average as support. But you can see, you know, there's been times here where we've come down, tested the 55, but this is the first time here for for over a month here we've actually come down below the 55. But really good to see that we've actually come back up. We've actually retook the 55, tested the 20 as resistance, and this week we're actually breaking that resistance and hopefully flipping it into support next week, which would be really good to see. And obviously that's super bullish for continuation, isn't it? Because Chainlink's basically been in an uptrend for going on almost 3 years now, so it makes a lot of sense that we need to be holding that 20 moving average for continuation of the trend. And you know, that looks like what we're doing. We're reclaiming it right now, so things looking really, really bullish. We're just going to finish this off by looking at the hourly time frame here for that short-term price prediction. As we said, now we've broken out of this key level of resistance here that we were consolidating under in a kind of an ascending triangle formation. We would expect potentially a back test, and then, you know, heading up to these next levels here. There's this $28.50 level potentially, and also this $32.50, $33 level would potentially be our next targets. But hopefully, you know, if we don't, Chainlink has been essentially consolidating very nicely, so we wouldn't anticipate too much of a rollover just because there's a lot of key structure here now. A lot of altcoins have just gone up in a straight line, which is actually not great, because obviously that means that essentially what's happening is they're not really creating any support on the way up. But the way that Chainlink has actually been consolidating under resistance, it does look as though it's probably going to have quite a lot of support if it does roll over and backtest here, which we would want to see, backtesting that previous resistance into support. If we can do that and then continue moving to the upside, things are only looking very, very good, aren't they? Hopefully heading up to around that $28.50 level or that $33 level as our next price target. So things looking very good for Chainlink, and we do strongly think that it's going to be over $100 by the end of the bull run. If we just take a look here at what would be reasonably acceptable, we would probably say $150, maybe $200, depending on how much of a pump that we do get for the end of the bull run. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.